Jurassic World, and it has some bricks. And here's a little check on the back. It also comes with cards, I think. Here's the Giganotosaurus. I mean a Carnotaurus. And let's open it. Oh yeah. I opened it now, and it has like real feel. It's jelly, the tongue, and it has like it can move its head, and I like the mouth. Like it shakes. I like that part. Can this move? Oh, the legs can move. Okay. Now the tail can move too. Oh, it actually moves its head. So, and the hands. I like the little bitty hands too. So, bye guys. Subscribe to my channel, click the like button. Bye.